Canon has announced its first two instantaneous cameras, the IVY CLIQ Plus and the CLIQ. Both cameras can store digital photos as well as print them on zinc photo paper. The IVY CLIQ and the CLIQ Plus are small compact cameras, with the CLIQ Plus being the most premium of the two. Both cameras accept 2x3" zinc paper 10 sheets at a time, feature a built-in flash, have an optical viewfinder, offer microSD card storage, self-exposure and autofocus, charge via USB and work with internal lithium polymer batteries. The CLIQ has a 5-megapixel sensor behind the wide-angle lens, while the CLIQ Plus offers 8 megapixels. While the front of the CLIQ has a small integrated selfie mirror, the entire front lens area of the CLIQ Plus is a large 2-inch selfie mirror with built-in frame lines. The CLIQ Plus also has an LED ring light, a remote shutter and an automatic shutter release. But the biggest additional feature offered by the CLIQ Plus is the Bluetooth wireless connectivity that allows you to pair the camera with a Canon Mini Print mobile application.